Good morning, friends. Please sit and listen carefully. Today's topic is very important. Very, very important. Day 8. What does GPT mean? What does GPT mean? Generative pre-trained transformer. GPT. Generative pre-trained transformer. Okay. Why people use chat GPT? But very few people know what GPT actually means. Many people use ChatGPT, but very few people know what GPT actually means. Today, you will understand this clearly from zero level. First question: what is GPT? GPT is not a random name. GPT is not a random name. GPT has a meaning. GPT is made of three words. Please remember this. G, P, T. G, P, T. Each letter has meaning. Each letter has meaning. 1 minute, I will share the screen. See friends, total 129 pages PDF is ready for you. Okay. Now we are discussing 35th page, day 8, up to 30, day 30, 129 pages PDF. Excellent material. Okay. Day 8. What does GPT means? Generative pre-trained transformer. Okay. Concept in one line. GPT stands for generative pre-trained transformer. Now, don't worry. We will understand each word slowly. Each word slowly, one by one. First letter G. Let us start with G. G means generative. G means generative. What does generative means? Generative means generative means generative means to generate to generate to generate to create something new to create something new. What does GPT generate? GPT generates text, answers, explanations. Text, answers, explanations, word by word, sentence by sentence. Important point. GPT does not copy paste answers. GPT does not copy paste answers. To create new text every time. To create new text every time. Simple example sentence. Learning AI from I am learning AI from possible words, book, teacher, internet. GPT checks probability and generates the next word. This is a generative daily life example. Okay, I repeat. Concept in online. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative Pre-trained Transformer. A model, a model that generates text is already trained on large data. Is already trained on large data and uses transformer architecture. Uses transformer architecture. Why this concept is important? GPT is the base of ChatGPT. GPT is the base of ChatGPT. Very common interview question. Helps understand how modern AI models work. Key points to remember. GPT has three parts. GPT. It generates new text. It is pre-trained before use. It uses transformer technology, works on attention and prediction. Works on attention and prediction. Does not copy exact data. Does not copy exact data. Okay, next, daily life example. G. Write an exam answer. Writing an exam answer. You don't copy from book. You generate answers from your knowledge. Your knowledge. Same way, GPT generates text. Second letter P. Pre-trained. Now, second letter P means pre-trained. This is very important. This is very important. What does pre-trained mean? Pre-trained means GPT is already trained. Training is done before you use it. Training is done before you use it. It learns language in advance. Very important point. GPT does not start learning when you ask a question. GPT does not start learning when you ask a question. It is already trained. Trained on what? GPT is trained on books, articles, websites, general text. Books, articles, website, general text. Large amount of text data. Simple example. Student studies before exam. Before exam. In exam, student writes answers. GPT is like that student. Daily life example. P. Driving license. Driving license test. You learn driving first. Then you drive on road. GPT learns language first. GPT learns language first. Then answer questions. Third letter T. Transformer. T. Transformer. Now third letter. T means transformer. This is a technology. This is a technology. Transformer is the brain structure of GPT. Transformer is the brain structure of GPT. What does a transformer do? What does transformer do? Transformer helps GPT understand context. GPT understands context. GPT focuses on important words. GPT focuses on important words. GPT connects properly. Connects words properly. This is called attention. Attention. Simple example. Word bank. One word bank. Suppose you can say, I deposit money in the bank. I deposit money in the bank. Second sentence. I said near the river bank. Okay. I said near the river bank. Same word, different meaning. Transformer understands this difference. Daily life example T. Teacher understands question properly before answering. Transformer helps GPT do that. Transformer helps GPT do that. Okay. Meaning on meaning of each word very important. Meaning of each word very important. G. Generative. Creates new content. Creates new content. Writes answers word by word. Predicts the next word. Next word. Example. Com- completing a sentence. Pre-trained. Pre-trained. Already trained on large text data. Learns language before user ask questions. Learns language before user ask questions. Ready to use from day one onward. Example. Student studying before exam. Okay. Transformer. Architecture behind GPT. Architecture behind GPT. Transformer helps focus on important words. Focus on important words. Transformer uses attention mechanism. Example, understanding bank as money bank, not river bank, not river bank. Okay, simple, simple daily life examples. Now combine all three. Let us combine G, P, and T. Generative, generative creates text. Pre-trained, pre-trained, already learned language. Transformer understands context using attention. Understand context using attention. So GPT means a model, a model that generates text. A model that generates text is is already trained and uses transformer technology. A model that generates text is already trained and uses transformer technology. Why GPT is powerful? Why GPT is powerful? GPT is powerful because trained on large data, uses transformer attention, predicts words, predicts words accurately. That is why answers look natural. Simple working flow. Please remember this flow. Please remember this flow. Pre-trained data. Pre-trained data is converted into transformer attention. Transformer attention to next word prediction. Next word prediction to generative text. Generate text. Repeat. Repeat again. Pre-trained data to attention. Attention to prediction. Prediction to generate text. Daily life analogy. Complete complete GPT. Student. Student studies before exam. Pre-trained. Student writes answers. Generative. Student writes answers. Generative. Student connects concept. Transformer. Students connects concepts. Transformer. GPT works same way. Same way. Common confusions to avoid. Please remember this clearly. Please remember this clearly. GPT does not search internet. GPT does not search internet. GPT does not think like humans. GPT does not understand emotions. GPT works on patterns and probability. Interview exam questions. What does GPT stand for? Answer. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Question number 2. Why GPT powerful? Why GPT powerful? Because it is trained on large data and uses a transformer attention to generate accurate text. To generate accurate text. Okay, simple daily life example. Studying before exam. Pre-trained. Writing answer in exam. Generative. Connecting concept properly. Transformer attention. Okay. Simple. Simple. Simple flow. Easy to remember. Pre-trained data. Pre-trained data is converted into transformer attention. Transformer attention to next word. Next word to next word prediction to next word prediction to generate text. Interview, interview exam point of view. What does GPT stand for? GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Why is GPT powerful? Because it is trained on large data and uses transformer attention to generate text accurately. Common confusions to avoid. GPT does not search the internet. GPT does not think like humans. GPT generates text using learned patterns. GPT uses attention to understand context. Okay, so one line to remember. Very important. Very important. GPT is generates text using a pre-trained transformer model. GPT is generates text using a pre-trained transformer model. Quick search. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Yes or no? Yes. GPT copies exact students from training data. GPT copies exact sentences from training data. No. Okay. GPT, question number one, okay. GPT stands for yes or no. It's covered. Okay, fine. That's all, friends. Today, friends. Okay, stop sharing. That's all for today, friends. This foundation is very important. This foundation is very, very important. In this is clear. If this is clear, everything else is will be easy, easy peasy. Okay. Thank you, friends.